What is the value of 20 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? Hi there, this is Daily Mathematics, and today we are going to be converting the degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit using the temperature scales for both values. So we have the Celsius scale here and we have the Fahrenheit scale here. So first of all, the Fahrenheit scale has a fundamental interval of 180 degree, and then we have 32 degree here, and then 180 degree fundamental interval will give us 212 degree Fahrenheit here. So what are we going to do? You must have heard of the formulas using to convert them. The first thing we're going to do, how do we get the formula using to convert this? Now we're going to be using these temperature scales to convert these values. So the first thing we're going to do is how do we go about it. So let's first of all derive a formula for converting this this degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit from these two temperature scales. So the first thing we're going to do, we have degree Celsius here, we have the reference point here, we have the ice point here, and we have the steam point here. So what are we going to do? We have degree Celsius minus 0 degree, minus 0 divided by 100 minus 0, then equals, we're going to do the same thing here. We did the reference point minus the ice point over the steam point minus the ice point. We'll do the same thing from here. We have the reference point here, that's degree Fahrenheit minus 32 over the steam point 212 minus the ice point. And so from here we have degree Celsius minus 0 will give us degree Celsius over 100 minus 0 will give us 100, then equals degree Fahrenheit minus 32 over 212 minus 32 will give us 180. So just like I said, the fundamental intervals between a Fahrenheit scale is 180 degree, while the fundamental interval between a Celsius scale is 100 degree. So from here we'll have the 180 degrees Celsius, will cross multiply here. 180 degrees Celsius equals 100 multiplied by degree Fahrenheit minus 32. And so from here we can divide both sides by 180, and then divide both sides by 180. And so from here 180 cancels 180. We have degree Celsius equals, from here 0 cancels 0, and then from here we have 2 here 5, and then 2 here 9. And so from here we have 5 over 9 bracket degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So from here we have 5 over 9. So this is the formula for converting. This is the formula here for converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. This formula is for converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. But how about Celsius to Fahrenheit before we go into our question? So from here we are going to work out the formula. We have degree Celsius equals 5 over 9 degree Fahrenheit minus 32. From here, we're going to collect like terms and make degree Fahrenheit the subject of the formula so we can be able to solve our question. So from here we can cross multiply, and we'll have degree Fahrenheit or 5, then degree Fahrenheit minus 32, then equals 9 degrees Celsius. Equals 9 degrees Celsius. And so from here we can divide both sides by 5. 5 cancels 5, and we have degree Fahrenheit minus 32 equals 9 degrees Celsius over 5. But first we want to make this one degree Fahrenheit subject of the formula. We'll have to have degree Fahrenheit equals 9 degrees Celsius, then this is plus, over 5, then this is plus 32. And so from here we have our formulas. So this is for converting degree Fahrenheit to Celsius, and this is for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit with this formula. So having all these formulas, we can be able to work out any question without having to draw down the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale again. So from here we have our question: 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. We have 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So remember, this is the formula for converting degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. So from here we write it down: degree Fahrenheit equals, so let's go write it here, 20 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. You have degree Fahrenheit equals 9/5 degrees Celsius, meaning times 20. This is what we have in degrees Celsius, times 20, then plus 32. And so from here we have 5 here 1, 5 here 4. 9 times 4 is 36, then plus 32. So that will have 20 degree Celsius is equals to 36 plus 32 will give us 68 degree Fahrenheit. Now, what's the essence of these formulas that we are deriving? It helps us so that when we are having a question, a conversion question, maybe from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, or from degree Fahrenheit back to degree Celsius, we will not have to draw this scale again and be going through all this method. So this formula is what we can just memorize. So from here, we can take another question. How about we convert 68 degree Fahrenheit back to degree Celsius? So we have Fahrenheit back to Celsius. So we are saying 68 degree Fahrenheit back to degree Celsius. And so remember, this is the formula: Fahrenheit back to Celsius. We have 5/9 degree Fahrenheit minus 32. So we have here from here 5/9 bracket degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit, where's our degree Fahrenheit? This one. That will be 68, then minus 32. So from here we have 5/9 times 68 minus 32 will give us 36. And so from here we have 9 here 1, 9 in 36, 4. 5 times 4 will give us 20 degree Celsius. That means 68 degree Fahrenheit is what is giving us 20 degrees Celsius. That means we will know we are right if we are given this kind of question here to solve. So we've come to the end of the question. We've come to the end of work today. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave your genuine thoughts about this video. Thank you.